I did not expect this to turn out this good. I was just trying to make a simple DIY face cream and now my skin feels ridiculously soft. Hey, I'm Yusette from Simply Earth. I've been experimenting with DIY skincare lately, trying to create something nourishing but still light enough for everyday use. So I decided to do a little skincare experiment using a water-based formula, skin-loving butters, and essential oils I already trust. And honestly, this one surprised me. This is the Daily Dew Face Cream. This recipe is from the March DIY kit, and in your kit, this is what you will get. So in your kit, you will get vegetable glycerin, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, mango butter, 3 2-fluid ounce bottles, some nozzles to go with it, cedarwood and Simply Us essential oil blend, and you will also get GeoGuard ECT. Let's make it. So first you want to prepare an ice bath by filling a bowl with ice. Then you will set this aside for later. I start with the oil phase. In a heat-safe bowl, I add 2 3/4 teaspoons of emulsifying wax, 2 tablespoons of face serum base, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of mango butter, and 1 teaspoon of cetyl alcohol. This combination nourishes the skin and gives the cream that smooth, non-greasy texture. In a separate container, I mix 2/3 cup of distilled water with half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, so it helps draw moisture into the skin. That's where the dewy finish comes from. I gently heat both mixtures until they're around the same temperature. Then slowly blend them together. This is my favorite part, watching it transform into a real creamy texture. Once the cream cools slightly, I add 33 drops of GeoGuard ECT to preserve it, followed by 25 drops of Simply Us essential oil blend and 8 drops of cedarwood essential oil. This scent is uplifting, calming, and beautifully balanced. After it cools completely, I pour it into bottles. And that's your Daily Dew face cream. And if you don't want to make a full batch, you can easily scale this down. And here is how. For only a 2-ounce bottle, use 3/4 teaspoons of emulsifying wax, 1 teaspoon of mango butter, 1 teaspoon of face serum base, 1 teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, 3 tablespoons of distilled water, and a 6 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Once blended and cooled slightly, add 16 drops of GeoGuard ECT, 8 drops of the Simply Us blend, and 3 drops of the cedarwood essential oil. Pour into a 2-ounce bottle and you're done. Pretty cool, right? And what I love about this is how simple it is. This was made using the Simply Earth DIY face cream kit. This kit contains what you need, so you're not hunting down ingredients or guessing what to buy. It makes creating your own natural skincare at home feel totally doable. Okay, let's talk about how this feels. Wow, that feels really silky. It's very nourishing, but it really does feel very lightweight on my skin. And it does not feel greasy at all. Honestly, this feels like something I'd expect from my high-end skincare brand, but I made it myself at my own table. If I can make this, you can absolutely make it too. Try it at home and tell me how it goes. Share your creation with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. And if you love easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, check out the Simply Earth DIY face cream kit. I'll see you in the next video.